Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today we're doing Lifesawave box and I'm really sad because this is my last box. I signed up for a 3-month subscription and this is the last one. This box runs about $50 a month. And so it's a little on the pricey end. I do love it, but I'm trying to bring some new boxes to the channel. This is an ocean themed box. It has themes every month, but I thought I would just start trying in some new boxes to my channel. Oh my God, there's so many new boxes out there. So I just thought I'd put this to the side for a while and I might bring it back. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked my video and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button, and so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. So let's get into this box. I kind of unwrapped it because there's so many little foozles in here, and I didn't want them to get everywhere, even though they always do. And this month's theme is barbecue. Do you guys barbecue? Do you barbecue a lot? In the summer here, it gets a little too hot for barbecuing, but Dennis doesn't barbecue at all, so I don't know who I'm kidding. The first thing is, does that say chocolate? A chocolate coconut something. I don't think this box comes with a card, so I won't know what's in it. So you're just gonna have to trust me. But this looks like it says chocolate coconut something, but it's got such teeny writing. If I put it close and backwards, but that's our first item. And then they always put candy and shells and stuff. So we got a sucker. And then we got a bunch sand dollars. So I have a bunch of these, and I do have a jar that I keep everything that I get from them in it, and it's all over. And then we have Sue made that, Etsy.com. So Sue made something. Oh, living the mermaid life. Aren't those cute? And this one says Life's a Wave. And there's the third one. So I guess you stick them in your plants. Oh, these are just so cute. I'm just trying to read the third one. And the ocean is calling. So I guess these go in maybe your little planters. Oh, but these are adorable. And you can get those on Etsy, and you can get 15% off. So those are just adorable. And then we have sea salt. So we have actual sea salt for cooking. I don't think I've seen any of her boxes with this kind of stuff in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's a starfish hot plate holder because it's got the little ends on here. Now that is cute. I use hot plate holders all the time. You know, when you take things out of the microwave, they get pretty hot. So we have that. Oh, I see more. These little things that are in the box are getting all over. And then we have starfish. I don't know what this is though. Oh, it's an apron. So when you barbecue, oh my God, look at the little starfish. Oh my God, this apron is so cool. Now I will definitely use this apron. Does it have pockets? I don't see pockets, but this is such a cute apron. So I do enjoy that. Was that the last thing? I know there was these floaty things in the box. There was little stones and everything. So let's recap what was in the box without getting the stony things all over. So we got that gorgeous apron. And then we got sea salt, and I'm sure this is cooking sea salt. It's on the bottom. We got this beautiful trivet. And these little paddle things that I'm saying go in a plant. Is that your guess? Let me know in the comments below if that's your guess. And then I'm thinking this is some kind of cooking item. And the sucker and the shells. Yeah, I think that was it. So what do you think of my box? It was a great last box. I'm sorry to see it go, but I have ordered like 3 new boxes. So I have to kind of, you know, cut something out, but it could come back. So let me know what you thought of it. Leave comments below, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.